Welcome to Vintage Stitchery Archives, where we step back into the pages of needlework history, one issue at a time. Today we're visiting the WorkBasket December 1949, a wonderful Christmas issue filled with festive crafting, holiday recipes, and charming handmade gifts from the post-war home. This issue begins with whimsical painted cardboard ornaments, perfect for the thrifty and creative homemaker, a simple and joyful way to bring Christmas sparkle to the tree without spending a dime. There's a lovely cross-stitch apron, elegant enough for a holiday company, as well as a knitted tie, ideal as a handmade gift for the gentleman of the family. We're then treated to a delightful interview with a rug hooker, showcasing the artistry and practicality of this once common home craft. The kitchen section sparkles with old-fashioned fondant candy instructions, along with Christmas cookies and decorating ideas, giving us a taste of holiday baking the way it was done in the late 1940s. This issue also brings patterns for thoughtful gifts and home items. The pony boy vest and hat set for little boys. A crochet doll. A knitted bib, warm and practical crocheted slippers, a classic lace doily, knitted knee warmers, tatted scarf ends, a decorative jar curtain pull, a sweet baby doll lapel pen, a tatted doily, and a keepsake knitted afghan. My favorite piece in the entire issue is without question the crocheted poinsettia pan holder, a cheerful red and green design that captures the very heart of a 1949 Christmas kitchen. Charming, festive, and beautifully handmade. Thank you for joining me for this vintage WorkBasket Magazine flip through. If you enjoy needlework history, please like, subscribe, and share. It helps preserve these treasures and keeps more vintage magazines coming your way. Thanks for watching.